Hey, tubers. All right. This is my dad's old Cub Cadet. Let's see if she'll start. Been sitting for quite a while. I don't know. This may be a cold start, no start. Ooh, maybe now it'll work. Got a little choky jacks in here. It won't start the John Deere, battery's dead. But hey, Cub Cadet started. All right, tubers. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Cub Cadet.